folks, Rob Rogers here with Hawaiian Trike, and I thought I'd just take you on a little trip with me. I'm going out to the North Shore today to watch a surf contest at Sunset Beach. So it's just a nice little ride to get to do a couple things that I love doing. Riding my trike and checking out the surf. It's going to be a big contest. Well, it should be a short ride, maybe just 10 miles one way, and we'll come out there. I brought my special binoculars to take a look at the surf. And this leads me to a little update on Hawaiian Trike tours. I think I've mentioned to you guys before that I surf, and I bought me a Surf Kayak 6 months ago, and I've been learning on it. Before I get into surf kayaking, let's have a little discussion about something else. I wanted to do a ride about staying young, and someone asked, some celebrity once, well, what happens when you get to be 70 years old? You know, all I can think about is that it's coming to an end soon. What do I do? You know, I think it was David Crosby, the late David Crosby, who said, you have to go out and live every single day like it's your last day, and enjoy it and do the most you can do, and get out there. That's kind of been my philosophy anyway through my life. But my goal is to be optimistic and to get out there and push my body and my mind to do as much as I can do. And so that's why I trike 3 or 4 times a week. And that's why I get in the water. And I was surfing up until about 6 months ago, and now I'm kayak surfing. And I'm just so excited. I'm like a 13-year-old again who got his first surfboard. And so I'm really enjoying that new episode, and my goal is to surf one day, trike the next day, and keep on doing that. Maybe take a couple days off here and there, but it's to get out and do as much as I can do. Yeah, I have my aches and pains that I have to deal with, but that's where the rest comes in. So my method to my madness is I don't push myself so much that I'm completely exhausted or my muscles ache like crazy. And that's where riding a trike really helps out, because I feel great after I'm done, and I could do 40 miles and I still feel pretty good. Okay, a little tired, but still pretty good. The same thing goes on with my kayak surfing. It's actually a much easier sport than surfing, and as I'm using the paddle, I'm above the water, and I still get the same rush that I get when I surf. So that's my strategy for staying young. Why am I bringing up kayak surfing? Coming up, I'm going to be including in this channel my adventures with kayak surfing. Hope you guys don't mind sharing. I'm going to make a series of discussions about the kayak that I'm riding and how I started and how hard it was and difficult. Like I said, it's not going to be they're not going to be long videos, anywhere to 5 to 8 minutes. It's all about staying young, keeping our body in shape best we can. All right, we'll be out in Sunset Beach in 10-15 minutes or so. Well, I guess it really only took a couple seconds to get out here. So now we're here at Sunset Beach. Wow, check out all the cars. And what happens with the locals here? it's kind of a crazy thing, is that when a big surf contest is going on and they're good waves, many people take vacations, holiday pay, sick leave, come out and watch the surf contest. I remember we were doing some work on the house, and when the big surf contest was up, all my contractors took off. Anyway, we're gonna try to get closer here, and I gotta go find a spot. This would be a spot right here. Well, that's the Sunset Beach Surf Contest back there. Hope you enjoyed a little stop and take a look at what that looks like. And thanks for riding along with me today. I appreciate it. I always could love the company. Hope you guys have a great week. And remember to stay forever young. Just a reminder, we have some surf kayaking videos coming up in the near future. Enjoy, ignore, whatever works for you. Hope you guys enjoyed the ride, enjoyed the scenes, and let me know if you want to take up surfing, and I'll point you in the right direction. We're not catching waves over there though. Alright, you guys be healthy, be safe, and always be happy. Aloha.